2019, so I thought I would vlog. Because it's actually kind of a busy weekend today. I actually have my first, I'm going to continue straightening my hair while I talk to you guys, because I'm getting ready for my first makeup workshop that I'm actually hosting this year. Is that the right word? Hosting, teaching, doing? Yeah, this is something I've wanted to do for like a while now. I've always said I wanted to like do a couple of makeup workshops whenever I can. I just never really got around to it, so I'm really excited that I'm kickstarting the first weekend of 2019 with my first one. Yeah, that's what's happening today, and then tomorrow I have to do some moving, which is really sad, but I'll probably talk a little bit more about that tomorrow. Yeah, so today I guess I'll just bring you guys around. I'll bring you guys around and we can, I don't know, set up for my first makeup workshop together. I'm really excited and I'm really nervous. Like my tummy hurts so much. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say right now. Let's start prepping for this class because it's in an hour. Okay, so right now what I've done is I've picked out all makeup that I want to actually like talk about, and I've popped it into this little box thing to bring out into my living room area, which is where I'm going to set things up. So yeah, just a bunch of foundations and stuff. All my primers lined up, different types of foundations, so like liquid, powder, cake, moussey foundation, and we have like a whole different bunch of concealers to talk about. Then we have our bronzers, contour, and blushes. So there's like a bunch of liquid or cream, like cream bronzers, cream contour, and then we have our highlighters, all the different types again. So we have like a little gel highlight, we have liquid highlighters, and then like a bunch of powder highlighters. And then these are all the different eye products, so like different kinds of brows, brow pencils, eyeliners. So we have a few different kinds of eyeliners, gel, oh where's liquid, oh liquid, mascaras, and then a whole bunch of different eyeshadows to play with. So yeah, that's pretty much the setup. And then here's where they'll be sitting. So they have their little mirrors in front of them, and then I have a little 10-piece brush set here with a little sponge for them to work with. I don't know, I'm like really nervous. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, like do a little makeup workshop, but I never really had a proper setup or like a proper place to do it, and that's mainly why I've been putting it off for so long. But I thought, you know what, I'm not gonna not do it because I don't have a place. Like I don't think they'll mind so much that it's upstairs in my lounge, as long as they learn the stuff that they want to learn. And I don't know, I'm just helpful, I guess, and it doesn't really matter where it is. Like the next couple of ones I'll probably rent out a place, or I'll probably find like a better setup area to do it. But I think for right now, I think this is okay. I mean, I'll probably just stand over there and then like they can sit here, and I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I guess that's it. That's everything set up. I put a little tea thing here for us to have, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's hope this goes well. And then, so once you have like a sheer layer all over your face, you can go back into the same foundation and just put it in the areas that you want to focus on, or you can go in with concealer. Okay? I always mix it on the back of my hand because that kind of warms it up a little bit. Oh, you didn't even need this class, right? Good. So things like this is very cool. This is what you would use to contour, and then something like this is a little bit warmer. So like this, oh yeah, this, for example. So like this one is cooler, that one's warmer. Hi, so it's now a couple of hours later. I just finished that workshop and oh my god, it was so fun. I really loved, I don't know, I just love doing it. I'll probably talk a little bit more about it tomorrow, but right now I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna go downstairs and grab some food. Yeah, hi Nicole.
Hi.
Yes, to bring a pen.
She covers half her face with her hair. The thing is, once you try the keto diet or any diet,
How do you bring it back to keto?
your mom is turning all of us into keto.
No, yeah, she actually got me started and then I gave up.
The first place you lose weight is the face. Yeah.
Oh, maybe I could ease into it.
No, that's not easy. Feta cheese is
And the other one. Hi guys, good morning. Actually, that's a complete lie. It's the afternoon and I'm just on my way to my apartment. I have to kind of clear it out because I finally got it rented out to a tenant and they're moving in next week, but I have to pass in the key tomorrow. So I have to just clear out a bunch of stuff, which is kind of sad. I'm a lot sadder than I thought I would be. I don't know why. It's gonna sound really weird because I've like wanted to rent it out. Like the past year, like since I got the place in like May 2018, I've been trying to get it rented out and like I've been trying really hard to find a really nice couple to rent the place, and finally I literally found like the perfect couple with like a little baby and they're so sweet. They even said I can come like visit. I don't know, I guess it's better having someone live there than me just keeping it to myself and keeping it empty, you know? I don't know, this is like going way off topic, but basically, actually no, it is the topic. It's the topic I'm talking about, but I shouldn't be going so into it because it's like unnecessary, very unrelatable. I don't know, I don't know. So back to why I'm going there. I have to clear out some stuff because I have a few bits and bobs left behind of when I was like doing the place up. Like I said, I spent every weekend there. I literally built most of the furniture myself. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I just have to like take back, and that's what that giant box in the back is for. Okay, bye. I'm gonna talk to you guys later when I get there, probably while I'm saying my final goodbyes. It's gonna be really emotional and I'm just gonna like wanna die. Bye. Last time opening this door. Oh my god, I'm such a dramatic piece of shit, huh? Oh my gosh. Oh wait. Can't forget this. I mean, honestly, it's not like I was ever here much except for like weekends, but still, it's just really sad. Anyway, yeah, I guess that's that, huh? Okay, so let's see, basically a bunch of crap like all in these drawers, like little paint and stuff I used to kind of touch up that. I have a whole bunch of screwdrivers that, who would have even thought I'd own this many screwdrivers in my entire life? What else do I have? I think I have a bunch of stuff in here. Oh yeah, I really wanted to show, this is like something I'm the most proud of because I spent like an entire weekend here building all these shelves. I wanted it to be like a little walk-in pantry. These were a lot harder to build than you would think. Like, really, is it necessary to have so many different size compartments that all require different pieces of planks? And that's like the leftover grass that I used for the balcony out there. I literally sat there for hours and hours cutting out pieces of grass to like lay down on that little balcony, and then the stones as well. Like, I spent way too much time on that balcony. Moving stuff in here, I would always just sit on the table because I had nowhere else to sit. Now I have like all these stools basically to sit at the bar, but I don't know, I still really like just sitting on top of the table. I don't know, I think the main reason I'm like super sad, when I got this place 2 years ago, I guess I pictured my life to be very like different than how it is going right now, which is 2 years later. I thought I'd be living here, I thought I'd be standing at this counter, I thought I'd be standing in this kitchen, like doing shit, but a lot of really good stuff has happened, a lot of other stuff that I never expected to happen, that I'm super grateful for and I'm super thankful for. Anyway, yeah, that's basically what I was saying. Life is, I guess, what happens when you're busy making plans. I'm not living here. I am renting it out. I'm gonna do something else.